Thanks to Brandon at Magnolia Tire Pro and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen. We always recommend you go to professional for this type of repair. However, this replacement was fairly simple with the right tools. Today we are replacing a set of front Complete Strut Assemblies on a 2004 Subaru Forester. This front set fits the 2004 to 2005 Forester, excluding low leveling models. We recommend using Speedy Struts by Sensen when replacing your worn out struts. Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen come with a limited lifetime warranty. Sensen uses OE grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality, Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 12mm socket, a 19mm socket and wrench, and a 13mm socket.
We got two 12mm. This is the ABS plier. Two 19mm. And you got three 12mm. and then the 19 millimeters. And then the 12 millimeters for the ABS wire. And the 12 millimeter for the brake line.
This concludes our front complete strut assembly installation on a 2004 Subaru Forester. Be sure to look for our rear complete strut assembly installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Brandon at Magnolia Tire Pro and Auto Service for the professional installation.